welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, we are at the Dreams of Palolem.
Yeah, and I am really excited. It took about 2 to 3 hours to reach Palolem, and I'm very excited.
Yeah, so we are here for our weekend vacation, and I will be showing you around places that you should be visiting. And the most commonly asked question as to what is happening in Palolem. Are things open? Are the tourists back? So I will be covering all of this in my series of videos. So stay tuned and watch our series of videos as we cover entire Palolem for you. So currently we are at a place called the Dreams of Palolem. So they have accommodation and they also have a beachside restaurant. It's a beautiful place, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end to get complete information. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that notification bell to get notified and subscribe to this channel. Help us grow, and so let's go.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. This is the road, and this is the entrance from behind. So you can actually park your cars inside here. They have a nice parking space. You can also park on the road as well if you're just coming here for lunch and if you're not staying back. And these are the rooms that they have. So there are 2 or 3 categories of rooms here. So I'll take you inside and I'll show you in a while. So these are the huts that are properly stilted and, you know, which have proper roofing and everything. And on this side there are these tents, you know, these, I'm not sure if you can actually see them. It's more like a canopy kind of a tent, and they all come with air conditioning. So I'll show you the room inside in a while. But this place is so beautiful. It's so green, and they even have an in-house kitchen and an in-house dining as well. So that is exactly on the beachfront facing. Wow, this is so nice. So this is the restaurant area that they have. The view here is just so awesome. In a while I'll take you down and I'll show you what it looks like from there. So today we have Snoopy as well with us. Snoopy! Hello! Say hi! Say hi! So we're here for a family vacation at Palolem. So our food has arrived and it's looking absolutely delicious. So this is the pad thai with prawns and egg. And then we also have the seafood fried rice. And Len, what did you get?
Well, I got paneer
Noodles.
Yes.
Paneer noodles. Okay. So let's taste it and see what it's like. And meanwhile, let me also show you the menu here. The menu is pretty decently priced. So they also have some liquor. So you can maybe pause the video if you want to check out the price.
You just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster. Don't ask me about my freedom, don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?
taste your noodles and tell us what it is like.
Okay.
Is it really nice?
Really nice.
Yeah? I think you have some paneer, right?
Over here.
I think the quantity also is quite good. So, I think this is the only way to satisfy my Thai food craving, because at this point in time, we're not allowed to go outside. Wow. It's actually good. You want to try?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very nice. Let me also quickly take a bite of mixed prawn fried rice. Seafood, I think. The food is great. I mean, this is just like any other prawn fried rice, but this is really, really nice. How about that, Len? And Len said that's good as well. Can I try that? Thank you, darling.
I'm right.
It's nice. So the shack is located right at the beach. So you can just take a walk. It's at the seashore. Let's go and see what does the room look like. And this is a room which is exactly facing the beach. Okay, light nahi hai abhi? Oh. Okay, so there is no light, but let me just try showing you this. Isko open kar sakte hain? So this is the nice sit out that they have. How do you like it, Len?
Well, it's actually great. Very nice.
It's quite nice,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
For a beachfront.
It's kind of basic. Nice.
True. So this is the view that you get from the window. Actually, for a beach kind of an accommodation, I really like this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
And then
very simple.
You want to do the bed test?
Oh, yeah.
No, don't. Just sit down. Is it
Comfortable,
nice? Comfortable?
soft. Yeah.
Yeah?
Something like a bench.
Okay. And this is an AC room, and also it has a fan, and then you have a little, cupboard here on the side. And then you have two side lamps. I don't know if you can actually see it in the video. Okay, so they have a mirror, small place for you to dress up. वो भी है ना? अच्छा. And then they have this nice tap, when you come from the beach to actually wash your feet. All of these cottages have this basic thing. Okay, Len, let's go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is called the tent room.
Yeah. So right now we're going to the tent room. So yeah.
This is a total different experience, no, Len?
Yes, it's true.
Okay, so this room isn't ready, but I'll just give you a quick tour. So this is your area, your sitting area outside. Okay. This reminds me of one of those tents, in Rajasthan. You remember?
Yeah. Well, I actually kind of think this as
Okay, so this is a window, I think.
this is a window.
okay.
This is a window.
Oh, that's nice.
Whoa. Nice.
Okay, so you can get some
Fresh air.
air. Okay. So they have a cupboard right here, and this is the bed. Whoa, this bed looks really thick. Isn't it? It's quite high.
So whoa! I can't get on it.
Okay, so and they have an air conditioning as well here. So let me see. Okay, so this is the toilet, and they have a hand wash. So this is the beach hut which we will be staying in for the next couple of days. So this is right on the beach, and I'll also show you what it looks like from the inside. Okay, so this is the entrance. It is right at the restaurant. The moment you get down from the beach hut, this is the restaurant area. So let me just show you what it's like inside. So since Palolem is just reopened, and so we're getting this room at a very good price. So normally it is around, for such a room, it would be anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. Wow, check out the view from your bed. It's a pretty decent cottage hut. And let me just show you the view from here. So you can actually see entire Palolem, and you have a nice sit-out area for you to just sit, chill, maybe with a nice beer. Okay, so this is an AC hut, and so they have this space here for your mirror, and it's kind of like a space for your dressing, and the room is pretty vibrant with bright colors. Okay, so this is a queen-sized bed, and they have a side table as well on both the sides, and this is a luggage rack kind of a thing where you can keep all your stuff. Okay, so let me show you what the toilet is like. So this is the toilet. It's pretty basic but very neat and quite clean. So you also have a shower, as well as they give you a bucket for your bath.